कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट हिंदुओं को खिलाफ है ऐसा लगता है।
The bill has come from Governor Office for two clarifications. One is, case is in Supreme Court since long time, 10-15 years. At this juncture, government can change, can amendment, that is one. Second one is, there are two institutions. One is Chaudeshwari Bhutaraya Sadat Ali Khan Dargah. And second one is Baba Budangiri Dattatreya Temple. In these two institutions, both communities, both religion people are nominated. Not now, since long years, including BJP. Just two clarifications asked from Governor Office. This will be our Principal Secretary will answer these questions.
Sir, another question is this, sir. Governor has raised other organizations, other religions.
Sir, this one same two. Baba Budangiri and then Chaudeshwari Bhutaraya. In this institution, since so many years, both religious peoples will be nominated, including in BJP period. The same thing is happening. Just to clarify.
Any advisement for government, sir?
No advisement. Small clarification.
We are welcoming his decision. What he has took a decision, our honorable governor, that is correct. He has justice दिया है. आप भी सोचिए, वक्फ बोर्ड को पैसा देता है, बजट से पैसा देता है, हम सब लोगों को टैक्स मनी देता है, टेम्पल को ट्रेजरी से पैसे लेने के लिए बिल लाता है. उसके मतलब इस गवर्नमेंट कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट हिंदुओं को खिलाफ है ऐसा लगता है. बजट में पैसा नहीं है क्या? बजट से पैसा दे सकता है. वक्फ बोर्ड में भी पैसा कलेक्ट होता है. वक्फ बोर्ड को पैसा कहा जाता है, गवर्नमेंट वापस लाता है क्या? वापस नहीं लाता है. चर्च का पैसा के ऊपर हाथ नहीं लगाता है, केवल टेम्पल का पैसा के ऊपर हाथ लगाता है. क्यों डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रहा है?
I am also the member of the council. In council, we defeated the bill. Still, they wanted to bring it in the session, lower house. They brought it. But we are opposing because we know the truth in the bill. So I welcome the decision taken by the governor, honorable governor, that he mentioned the very correct things to government. Government now should take back this. He should not reintroduce this, because they wanted to please somebody in the cost of Hindus, at the cost of Hindus. This is not correct. So people will teach them a lesson now.
Okay, one last question. Now, Ramlinga Reddy, the Muzerai minister, also every now and then had stated that funds that is being taken from category A temples will be given for the development of category C temples. Do you think that the government should come clear on this and state, because under the Aradhana scheme as well, it comes under the common beneficiary pool, meaning to state that these funds can be used for the development of other castes, community, religions as well. Do you think that the government should give a clarification on this?
See, he should come out with, there is also A category masjid, B category masjid, C category masjid, even churches also. Will you do the same there? Why you want to do all this here in Hindus properties? So temples are ours. Government has not built any temple. All temples built by the common man. And why are you controlling them? Okay. If at all you wanted to develop the C category temples, give the money from your exchequer. Is it not? Why you want other temple money for your development?